What's up guys, it's your boy Promise on another amazing video. In today's video, I will give a full review of the Sony WH-1000XM3 wireless on-over headphone. We will give a quick look at the amazing features, the battery life, the sound, and the price you can get it in Nigeria. With further information, let's go ahead and get started. The WH-1000XM3 headphone takes you even deeper into silence with further improvement to our industry-leading noise cancellation and smart listening that adjusts to your situation. See what happens when it's just you and your music. With the noise cancelling that cut out more outside sound than ever before, and experience how smart headphones can be with advanced noise cancelling technology such as the adaptive sound control and the convenience of smart features including the quick attention mode, the voice assistant compatibility and the smart listening, and also the touch control. So let's take a look at the features. First, we have the digital noise cancelling. The noise cancelling technology in the WH-1000XM3 headphone is our most advanced ever with close-fitting ear pads and our HD noise cancelling processor QN1. The noise cancelling power is greatly enhanced. Having a dedicated NC processor also ensures the reproduction of your music is never compromised due to the processor performance. It has a premium sound quality. A built-in amplifier integrated in HD noise cancelling processor QN1 realizes the best-in-class signal to noise ratio and low distortion for portable devices. And it delivers exceptional sound quality, powerful 40mm drivers and liquid crystal polymer diaphragm. It makes the headphone perfect for handling heavy duty beats and can reproduce a full range of frequency up to 40 kHz. And the smart listening. The smart listening feature by search engine automatically adjusts to your situation. The search engine gives you the power to turn in and out of your music at a touch. See what happens. Sound control automatically detects your activities such as traveling, walking, and waiting. Then adjust ambient sound settings to you. It has the quick attention mode, communication without taking out your headphone off. Please hand over the right knobs to turn the volume down for instant conversation. You can adjust ambient sound with the Sony WH. You can adjust ambient sound with the Sony Headphone Connect app to hear essential sound when you are listening to the moves. And also, let's talk about the equalizers. Find your perfect sound for every song from the presets. Also, easily customizable to your present with Sony Headphone Connect app. It has a virtual surround sound. Experience audio optimized for different listening environments including outdoor, stages, club, hall and arena. It has a sound position control. Choose the direction you want the sound to come from by adjusting the sound to the environment you are. You can choose whether the sound should come from your front, from the side or from behind you, just as you can with a wireless speaker. It has a touch control. Smarter than an average headphone, everything is at your fingertip. You can answer free phone calls with a double tap or change track. You can adjust the volume and make calls by touching or swiping the panel. And help from your phone voice assistant is just one long press away. Let's talk about the voice assistant. Be smarter with the voice assistant. You can manage your day. You can just by asking your assistant. You can enjoy entertainment, connect with friends, get information, listen to music and get notification. You can set reminder and more. With the features of fast charge, it provides up to 30 hours of battery life and you have enough power for even long trip. And if you need to charge in a hurry, you can get 5 hours worth of charge after just 10 minutes with the optional AC adapter. Let's talk about the comfortable to wear. You can wear all day in total comfort. It has a super soft, pressure relieving ear pads in foam to retain evenly distributed pressure and increase ear pad contact for a stable fit. The comfort is further enhanced by a larger and deeper ergonomic ear space structure, and with a lighter weight design, your music is the only thing you will notice all day. Let's talk about a quick look at the word performance. It has a strong noise cancelling and a quick attention mode. It comes with aptX and aptX HD support, little difference in audio performance and Google Assistant integration. It also comes with a better call quality and Amazon Alexa voice assistant. Finally, let's take a look at the Sony WH-1000XM3 price and release date. You can get it in the United States for $349 and in United Kingdom for £300, Australian for $499 and you can get it in Jumia in Nigeria for 200,000 naira. A release date, it was released in August 2018. What's in the box? It came with a hand-free headphone, the carry case, the charging cables and audio cables for a wired connection. For more information on how to order, please send the link in the description of the video. Thanks for watching and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get the latest of my video. Peace.